Hello guys, welcome to iTutor. Today we will discuss the next level of teaching, that is understanding level. The last video we will discuss the memory level, and one more we will cover on next video, that is reflective level. So today we will start the understanding levels of teaching. Okay. Just see the concept, meaning and introduction to understanding level of teaching. Understanding implies to know the meaning of things. मीनिंग समझ के पढ़ाई करना ऐसे बोलते हैं, है ना. दैट इज़ दिस अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेवल. ओके. एंड ग्रास्प द आइडियाज़, व्हाट इज़ द आइडियाज़ बिहाइंड द थिंग्स और द थिंग्स concept, and interpret some relationship, to comprehend the facts and to infer one thing from some other. that means एग्जाम्पल वगैरह लेके अच्छे से समझ के पढ़ाई करना. दैट इज़ द अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेवल्स ऑफ टीचिंग. एट दिस लेवल द लर्नर्स आर रिक्वायर्ड टू comprehend factual information, to know the meaning of different concepts and their relationships, and to apply facts and concepts and principles. So that is the concept of understanding level of teaching. And understanding level of teaching supported by the Herbartian theory of appreciation. What is that theory? Which states that this level of teaching seeks to learner to acquaint himself with the relation between the facts and the principles. एक कॉन्सेप्ट होगा, उसका पूरा प्रिंसिपल देखते हैं एंड एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं, वो आइडिया को पहले समझते हैं एंड ये किस चीज़ के लिए सब अंडरस्टैंडिंग करते हैं, व्हाट इज़ द हिस्ट्री ऑफ दैट कॉन्सेप्ट, ये सब समझने के बाद वो पढ़ाई करती है. दैट्स द प्रिंसिपल बिहाइंड दिस हर्बर्टियन theory. Here the mental development of learner is at a higher level than memory level. Okay, and his cognitive abilities are well developed now. He can think, reason out and imagine, can present things logically. क्यों को ये हो गया, what is the reason behind it, and ये सब सोचने का एक लेवल पे आ जाएगा. It's understanding level full of teaching पे. And can analyze and synthesis and can evaluate the relation between the principles and the facts. That is the one of the higher level teaching. In higher level पे और research level पे we will apply this level of understanding level of teaching. The development of the cognitive abilities of the learner is at the top, at the operational stage, as stated by the Jean Piaget. Okay, and learner at this stage need to comprehend a large number of concepts, elements, facts, principles. तो वो एक फैक्ट तो समझने के लिए बहुत सारा एग्जाम्पल्स में भी ढूंढना पड़ता है, उसका कॉन्सेप्ट कहाँ से आया ये सब देखना पड़ता है, लाइक दैट. ओके, एंड टू नो द रिलेशन बिटवीन द फैक्ट्स एंड प्रिंसिपल, टू मेक ए जनरलाइजेशन एंड ड्रॉ इन्फरेंस देयर फ्रॉम. एक पहले मे बी सम एक छोटा सा चीज़ पढ़ने के लिए में भी क्या होना पड़ता है, जनरली वो क्या है ये देखना पड़ता है, देन उसमें से क्या निकालते हैं. दैट इज़ रिसर्चर्स आर डूइंग, राइट. एक स्मॉल थिंग होगा, एक छोटा सा थिंग होगा रिसर्च का टॉपिक, बट उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ता है, पहले उसका हिस्ट्री पढ़ना पड़ता है, जनरली वो देखना पड़ता है, देन उसमें से एक कंक्लूजन में आना चाहिए. ओके, दैट इज़ द अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेवल ऑफ टीचिंग. See, in this diagram you will understand why at this level the learner and required to comprehend the factual information, to know the meaning of different concepts and their relationships, and to apply facts, concept and principles. This is only the understanding level of teaching. You just remember these 3 points, very important. Okay, and what are the steps of Herbartian theory of appreciation? हम पहले स्लाइड में देख लिया था. Herbartian theory, it depends upon understanding level of teaching, and these steps are preparation and introduction, and presentation, comparison, association and abstraction, and generalization, application and evaluation. पहले क्या करते हैं, प्रिपरेशन करते हैं, एक चीज़ पढ़ने के लिए एक प्रिपेयर करते हैं, राइट. इफ़ यू गेट वन असाइनमेंट एग्जाम्पल, क्या करते हैं, उस क्वेश्चन में आप एक प्रिपरेशन करते हैं पहले, एंड देन इंट्रोडक्शन निकालते हैं, देन एक प्रेजेंटेशन तरीके से वो लेके आते हैं, राइट. देन वो कंपैरिजन के साथ पढ़ते हैं, एंड एसोसिएशन एंड एब्स्ट्रैक्शन ये वगैरह निकालते हैं, लाइक दैट. एंड फिर एक जनरल कंसेप्ट में आ जाते हैं, देन उसके रिलेटेड एप्लीकेशन अप्लाई करते हैं, देन वो इवैल्यूएशन लेवल पे लेके आते हैं, देन वो कंक्लूड करते हैं. दीज आर द steps of Herbartian theory of appreciation. And What are the aims and objective of these levels of understanding level of teaching? According to Bloom's taxonomy, we already see the taxonomy in memory level also. Bloom is a one professor from USA. So his taxonomy of educational objective in 1956 are the comprehension objective and application objective. And what is the comprehension objective? That is comprised of translation, interpretation and extrapolation. Okay, and application objective is related to efficiency to apply to comprehend knowledge in various similar and different situations and settings. And what are the aims and objectives here? And understanding objective is according to Bloom's revised taxonomy, understanding objective is it pertain to understanding of instructional message, maybe it's oral, written or graphical etc. पहले उसको समझना पड़ता है, एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग में आना चाहिए what was that, what is that. Okay, by means of interpretation, exemplifying, classifying or summarizing or inferring or comparing and explaining etc. These are the things, the understanding objectives according to Bloom's revised taxonomy. एंड ये एप्लीकेशन ऑब्जेक्टिव में आ जाते हैं. एप्लीकेशन ऑब्जेक्टिव सर, एप्लीकेशन ऑब्जेक्टिव इंक्लूड द यूज ऑफ द प्रॉपर प्रोसीजर फॉर एक्सिक्यूटिंग इम्प्लीमेंटिंग द यूज ऑफ जनरलाइज्ड रूल और प्रिंसिपल इन प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ सिचुएशन. द स्टूडेंट acquainted themselves with the ideas for facts with the full understanding and their application, that is application objective. What are the methods used in this understanding levels of teaching? The nature of the subject matter is wide. It's a wide subject and larger in number and quality also there. And lecture method is one method, and lecture demonstration method, discussion method, inductive and deductive method, exemplification and explanation method. The classroom climate is more lively and encouraging because not only here teacher is not an authoritative role, just like a they share their knowledge in teacher and students and learner share their knowledge here. That is a discussion type of class and discussion type of method hoga ye. And the problem of discipline is also less and the climate is very lively and encouraging bhi hoga. Okay, and nature of motivation, students start learning at this level for two reasons. They are asked by the teacher to learn and their internal forces insist upon them to learn. Okay, and the different charts, models, flashcards, pictures, TV and many more electronic devices are used as a teaching equipment because ये देखना पड़ता है, एक फैक्ट को मिला तो उसको पूरा एनालाइज करना पड़ता है. ओके, एंड व्हाट्स द स्टेज ऑफ इवैल्यूएशन? द टीचर हैज़ टू इवैल्यूएट द एबिलिटी टू कॉम्प्रहेंड, ग्रास्प, सिंथेसिस, डिस्क्रिमिनेट एंड जनरलाइज and the insight to apply the generalized principles further. So the test and tools should be properly planned and devised. Besides asking question for oral testing, written testing should be conducted. Okay, there is a evaluation is type of questioning and oral testing hoga, written testing should be conducted for. And the teacher is a prominent figure, not so dominating and authoritarian, just prominent hoga. एज ए मेमोरी लेवल पे पूरा अथॉरिटीज़ किसके पास होते थे? टीचर के पास. यहाँ पे ये प्रोमिनेंट लेवल होते हैं. द रोल ऑफ द लर्नर इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग द लेवल ऑफ टीचिंग इज़ नॉट सो पैसिव. ही मे पुट क्वेश्चंस टू क्लैरिफाई हिज डाउट्स. मेमोरी लेवल पे कैसे होते थे? यू जस्ट कंपेयर दीज बोथ लेवल्स व्हेन यू आर स्टडीइंग, देन यू विल मोर क्लियर अबाउट दिस थिंग्स. ओके, एंड इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेवल पे क्या होते थे? जस्ट टीचर इज़ द अथॉरिटी, learner will just learn, that's the only role for the learner. But यहाँ पे क्या होता है, उन कुछ डाउट है तो टीचर को वो पूछ सकते हैं. एंड द टीचर इज़ द प्रोमिनेंट फिगर, नॉट सो डोमिनेटिंग एंड अथॉरिटेरियन. द रोल ऑफ द learner in understanding the level of teaching is not passive and he may put questions to clarify his doubt. Okay, and what are the merits and advantages in the understanding level of teaching? This is the effective learning, development of different cognition abilities, sets stage for entering into the reflective level of teaching, and effective classroom interaction are the some merits and advantages of this level of teaching. And what are the demerits? It ignores higher cognitive abilities and less emphasis on intrinsic motivation and no individual learning, teacher centered. These are the demerits of this understanding level of teaching. And suggestion for understanding level of teaching, there should be effective classroom interaction and organized subject matter होना चाहिए, and meaningfulness for the subject matter, and effective method of teaching, use of teaching aids, proper classroom environment. These are some suggestions for understanding level of teaching. Okay, and one more level is there, but that is reflective level of teaching, that we will discuss on next lecture, and follow the videos, and thank you.